the North Fork Falls. We get to have a goddess day today. Woo! Woo!
I'm trying to find the time, but it's racing.
I brought a whole loaf of zucchini bread for Goddess Nature Day. How is it?
Delicious.
Delicious. How's the zucchini bread?
It's so good.
Yes. Really, you want some zucchini bread? Roxy likes it too. Hi, Roxy. Is it yummy? So we're gonna have a Goddess Day today. We are at the North Fork Falls. So when it gets a little bit warmer, it's morning right now. Girls just ate my zucchini bread, and we are gonna be heading out to the trail, and we're gonna see what the falls look like, and we're actually going to climb up 25 feet and jump in. So let's see if we're all gonna brave the cold water and do it today. Roxy's getting in on it. Go, Roxy!
Oh, you did it?
And
No! No!